Scoot over so I can get in the shot. Oh,
Booty!
Your mom's gonna get mad, dude. Okay.
Remember last time you stayed the night?
Okay.
Dude.
Scoot over.
Hey, booby.
Hello.
Hello.
Today we are going to talk about accents. Okay. My first accent is going to be British. Okay. Hello, love. I love British people. You gotta do a British accent.
Okay. Wait.
Hello, love. Want a mango? Miss Holyfield said that today. Ooh.
I want to say it.
Okay. Say
Hello, love. Want a mango?
Hello, love. Want a mango? They have the weird faces when they talk. They're like.
It looked like you said mango. Hello, love. You want a mango? I picked it straight from
Isn't
the
that a
tree. That's the tango. Okay.
Oh, I don't want to do the tango. Okay.
Dude, the tango's like a dance thingy.
Wanna do
and then
the
the mango
tango?
is a mango thingy that you go and eat.
Wanna do the tango?
You want to do the tango, mate?
Okay, go.
What do I do?
An accent. Pick an accent.
Me Chinese, me play joke, me party, me in your coke.
That is so sick. That's like a second grader, dude. I was thinking that in second grade. Okay.
Okay.
I guess it's Chinese and peeing in Coke. This isn't even funny. It's just your laugh. It looked like you were home in the bed. Okay, anyway. Hello. Choo choo chong chong ching.
Wait, no.
I don't know how to do a Chinese accent. You look like Mother Freaking Nature. Oh, that's awesome though.
I'm Mother Freaking Nature, me.
Mother Freaking Nature. Okay, my accent is gonna be Cletus. Hello, my name's Cletus. I like chewing and truck driving, and that's about it. Thank you. Like, I don't know how to do his smile that he does. He's like,
we need to like message him on YouTube and be like, how do you do that smile? Send me a video.
okay,
Thank you.
Want to see my awesome taco shirt since Sydney's gonna be lame?
Babbage.
Pickles. And then I got matching shorts to match. Heck yeah. Hold on. Texting Sheldon. Okay, well, I guess since Sydney's gonna be lame and not pick another subject.
Wait.
We're gonna go.
How about them panda bears? You want to see a panda bear?
What is that?
It's a panda bear. Oh, you want to hump that panda
I
bear?
wonder what sound panda bears make.
I think it makes like
Rarga. You gotta get like the bamboo eating stuff.
Yeah. Wait. It's eating bamboo. Pencils.
Yeah. Bamboo. Pencils.
Wait.
Okay, well, since we really don't have any, even though y'all haven't, if you're watching my videos, you probably haven't made it to the end of this video, but...
Yeah, and you probably have, like, no life whatsoever.
Well, thank you.
Hey.
You look like one of those people who have, like, a sex outfit on, and they're, like, gagging themselves.
Okay, dude.
Just saying, there's people like that. Gosh.
Very weird people.
Yeah, not that I would know or nothing, you know. I'm just kidding. People. Anyway. Well, yeah. Goodbye. My name is Cletus.
And my name is Bob.
That's all you can come up with in that moment. You're like, my name is Bob. Like, you had your thinking face on, you were like... Okay, I'm so retarded right now, and I probably look horrible in this video.
Bob is short for... No, okay, Bob is short for Bobby Ray Lenny Cooney.
Did you say cooter?
Cooney. Like Cooney.
Like a cooter?
Like, no. No, like Cooney.
You turd sniffer.
You coochie licker.
You lip licker. Okay, well.
You dust sucker.
What?
That's a vacuum.
How do you suck dust?
Yeah.
You lip licker.
I like that dust.
Okay, well, I'm going to be like Darth Vader right now, and this is how I'm going to exit the video. Okay, when I pull it down, press off, okay?
Where's the off?
Just press the middle button thingy, okay?
That thingy?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, goodbye.